something's biting me.
Alright, no fair trotting unless it's your turn to leapfrog. And you gotta keep him at a walk so the other guys can get by. He doesn't want to be left behind. Leapfrog. Leapfrog. Keep sandbar at a walk. Keep your reins even too while you're at it. Keep your reins even on sandbar. Your work.
Oh my goodness, something's biting me.
That ain't no good.
They all look so, I could never do this. They all look so good.
They all look comfortable, don't they?
Oh my gosh.
Everybody go from there.